When it comes to choosing the best hole digger that actually lives up to the hype, something built to last, performs flawlessly, and truly gives you value for every dollar spent, well, you're in the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we dig deep into real product performance so you can make smarter and more confident choices. In today's countdown, I'll be showcasing the top 5 best hole diggers you can get right now, comparing their features, build quality, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons that most reviews never tell you. Whether you're watching from anywhere across the world, this review is made to help you find the one that perfectly fits your needs and budget. So stay tuned till the very end because our number one pick might just surprise you. And as always, all the latest prices and official links are waiting for you down below in the description box. Now let's jump straight into the list and find out which one truly deserves to be called Review the Best Buy. We're starting strong. Number 5 sets the tone for this entire list. Number 5, Baotree Post Hole Digger Gas-Powered Earth Digger with 2 Auger Drill Bits for farmland, garden, and plant. Stylish, dependable, and perfect for everyday use. A perfect example that quality doesn't always have to come with a premium price tag. The Baotree Post Hole Digger Gas-Powered Earth Digger is a versatile and efficient tool designed for gardeners, farmers, and landscaping enthusiasts who need to dig holes quickly and with minimal effort. This gas-powered earth digger comes with 2 durable auger drill bits, allowing you to tackle a variety of soil types and hole sizes, making it ideal for planting trees, installing fences, or setting up garden posts. Its ergonomic design and powerful engine make it easy to handle, even during extended use, reducing fatigue while delivering consistent performance. One of the standout benefits is its portability, enabling you to move across farmland, gardens, or other outdoor spaces without the limitations of cords or electricity. Users will appreciate how quickly it can dig through soil, saving hours of manual labor, although it may require some initial practice to operate safely and efficiently. Another consideration is that regular maintenance is needed to keep the engine running smoothly, which is common for gas-powered tools. Overall, the Baotree Post Hole Digger balances strength, versatility, and convenience, offering a practical solution for anyone looking to complete heavy-duty digging tasks with ease. Its combination of portability, multiple auger options, and powerful engine ensures that outdoor projects are completed faster and with less effort, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Moving up the list, this next one redefines modern design and innovation. Number 4, meet Beeooo 2-stroke auger post hole digger with 2 extension rods gas-powered earth auger for fencing, gardening. Built with precision, packed with smart features, and trusted by thousands of users worldwide for its remarkable reliability. The Beeooo 2-stroke auger post hole digger is a powerful and reliable tool designed for gardeners, farmers, and DIY enthusiasts who need to dig holes efficiently and with minimal effort. Equipped with a strong 2-stroke gas-powered engine and 2 extension rods, this earth auger allows you to adjust the depth easily, making it perfect for installing fence posts, planting trees, or creating garden structures. Its ergonomic design and lightweight frame ensure comfortable handling, while the included extension rods expand your reach, allowing you to work in various outdoor spaces without strain. One of the main advantages is its speed and efficiency, as it can dig through soil quickly, saving hours of manual labor, although it may require some practice to master safe operation. Users should also note that regular maintenance is needed to keep the engine running smoothly, which is standard for gas-powered equipment. The auger's versatility, portability, and robust performance make it suitable for both professional and home use, offering a practical solution for a wide range of outdoor projects. While it may be louder than manual tools and slightly heavier than electric alternatives, the convenience of a gas-powered engine and the ability to reach greater depths outweigh these minor drawbacks. Overall, the Beeooo 2-stroke auger post hole digger combines efficiency, durability, and user-friendly features, making it a valuable addition to any outdoor toolkit. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. We're halfway through, and number 3 has proven itself to be a real crowd favorite. Number 3, PRIJESSE Post Hole Digger 2-stroke Petrol gas-powered earth digger with 2 extension rods for farm garden plant. Combines functionality, performance, and comfort into one perfect package. The PRIJESSE post-hole digger 2-stroke petrol gas-powered earth digger is a versatile and robust tool designed to make outdoor digging tasks effortless for homeowners, gardeners, and farmers alike. Powered by a reliable 2-stroke engine, this earth auger provides strong, consistent performance, allowing you to dig precise holes quickly for fence posts, planting trees, or garden structures. Comes with 2 extension rods, giving you the flexibility to reach deeper soil without straining, and its ergonomic handles provide comfortable control during extended use. One of the key benefits is its efficiency, as it can replace hours of manual labor, though new users may need a short learning curve to operate it safely and effectively. While the gas engine delivers impressive power, it does require regular maintenance and fuel, which is standard for petrol-powered tools. PRIJESSE auger is also highly portable, making it easy to move between work sites, and it is built with durable materials that withstand tough soil conditions. Some users may find it heavier than electric alternatives and noise levels are higher, but these are minor trade-offs considering the speed and capability it offers. Overall, this post-hole digger balances performance, durability, and user-friendly design, making it ideal for both professional and home applications where efficiency and power are needed. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Now the competition gets tighter. Number 2 stands just one step away from perfection. Number 2, Auger Post-Hole Digger 2-stroke gas-powered earth post-hole digger with 2 auger drill bits for farm garden plant. It's engineered for professionals, designed for performance, and built to last. A top-tier product that nearly took the crown. The Auger Post-Hole Digger 2-stroke gas-powered earth post-hole digger is a powerful and efficient tool designed to simplify digging tasks for farms, gardens, and landscaping projects. Equipped with a robust 2-stroke engine, this earth auger delivers consistent power, making it easy to drill deep, precise holes for fence posts, planting trees, or installing garden structures. Comes with 2 auger drill bits, allowing flexibility for different hole sizes and soil conditions, and the ergonomic handles provide comfort and control during prolonged use. One of its major advantages is speed, as it can complete tasks in a fraction of the time compared to manual digging, though beginners may need some time to learn proper handling for safe operation. While the gas engine offers impressive torque, it requires fuel and routine maintenance, which is normal for petrol-powered equipment. The digger is also built to be durable and withstand tough soil and outdoor conditions, though it is heavier than electric alternatives and produces more noise, which may be a consideration for residential areas. Overall, this post-hole digger strikes a balance between efficiency, power, and practical usability, making it ideal for both professional users and serious home gardeners looking to save time and energy. Its portability and solid construction make it a reliable choice for repeated use on different sites. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. And finally, the ultimate pick. The one that leads the market, wins the reviews, and earns the trust. Number 1, Extreme Power US 1500-watt electric post-hole digger earth auger dig hole fence post-hole digging tree planting. This is where performance meets perfection. Unmatched quality, next-level durability, and real-world results, making it the undisputed king on demand. The Extreme Power US 1500-watt electric post-hole digger is a reliable and efficient tool designed for homeowners, gardeners, and small-scale contractors who need to dig holes quickly and with minimal effort. Powered by a strong 1500-watt motor, this earth auger easily handles soil for fence posts, tree planting, and other landscaping projects, allowing you to complete tasks faster than with manual digging. Its lightweight and ergonomic design provides comfort and control, while the included auger bits offer versatility for different hole sizes and soil types. One of the main advantages of this electric model is that it eliminates the need for fuel and reduces vibration, making it cleaner and easier to maintain than gas-powered alternatives. However, it does require access to a power outlet, which may limit mobility in remote areas, and it is best suited for medium soil conditions rather than extremely rocky terrain. The unit is easy to assemble and store, and its durable construction ensures long-term reliability for repeated use. While it may not replace heavy-duty industrial machines for large projects, it is an excellent choice for homeowners and light-duty professional applications, offering both convenience and efficiency. Its balance of power, portability, and usability makes it a practical investment for those looking to save time and energy on digging tasks. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.